So I am going to go over on how you're going to create a Quizlet into Canvas. And the reason why I'm going to do this is because this is a very handy tool and you don't have to log in, you don't have to sign up. You can just type in what you want and then find one that is free. So I'm going to do a Quizlet on Canvas since this is a Canvas learning course. So I'm going to type in Canvas and hit enter. And it gives a bunch of different Canvas tests that you can take. And so there's no $sign right over here, which means that it's free, which is really, really important to know, especially if you're looking for other courses like history, art, anatomy. You got to make sure that it's free. So if it's blank, that means it's free. I'm going to go with this one right here. And so what this does is you can turn it into different things. So it can be flashcards, you can learn it, you can write it, spell, test, and then match and gravity, which are 2 games. I'm going to leave it on match. And so what this does is you can start the game and you can begin matching things that are available for this. So let's see. So then it'll disappear. So that's how you do match. And so I need to copy this in an HTML format. So what that means is I'm going to click on the 3 dots and then I'm going to embed. And how I'm going to do that, I can change it if I want. I'm going to leave it on match for right now. And then I'm going to copy the HTML. And then I'm going to be going to my Canvas page. I'm going to go to the modules. And then I'm just going to remove this one. I'm going to make a new one by hitting the plus sign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do assignments. Study for Canvas. Okay, so then it uploaded it for me. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click into it and I'm going to start editing. So I'm going to click edit. Okay, and so I'm going to do my directions first. Okay, so there's my directions. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit enter. And the reason why is because it gives me all of that information. If you don't feel comfortable with that information there, go back to the very top and then hit enter. And then you're going to hit Control V on your keyboard. Control V will paste what has been copied. The copy on your keyboard, you'll hit Control C. So then if I switch out of these, it automatically brings it. If you do not do this step right here, it will not embed it. If you just copy and paste the HTML in this, it won't work. You have to click this. Okay? Then you're gonna do points. I want this to be 10 points. Assignment group. I can just leave it as an assignment. Submission type, I do want them to submit online, but I also want to do it as a file. So they're going to upload the JPEG and submit me their test results. I can click do available until. I'm going to leave all this blank and I'm just going to hit save and publish. Okay, so that has been created. They can start a game and they can begin matching. So it just automatically goes to matching, and then they can do a test when they're finished. And so they can do all of these things in Canvas. They don't have to go out of Canvas, which is really, really nice. So then I'm going to show you on home how to screenshot. I've already uploaded this Quizlet, so I'm going to click on how to use Quizlet. Oh, just kidding. Go back. Using Quizlet, there it is. So when you are screenshotting, you can screenshot with your keyboard. So you hit this button and the Windows button at the same time and it'll upload. So if I do a screenshot right now, my screen goes dark. That image automatically goes to quick access. And there's my screenshot. So then all they would need to do is drag and drop that screenshot. And so that's how you can use Quizlet and embed it into Canvas and do a screenshot. I hope that helps.